Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about how to share live location on Telegram. Perhaps you are traveling alone to a trip and you want your family to be aware of your current whereabouts so that they won't be worried about your safe arrival. So today I am going to show you how to share your live location on Telegram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Telegram application. And here, go to the chat window with the person or group you want to send your location. In this chat box below, tap on this paper clip that you can see beside the microphone icon. A menu will appear, and here, select this green location icon at the bottom center. Next, what you need to do is simply tap on this Share My Live Location for. In this window, you need to allow Telegram to access your device location, so tap on Continue. Here, select the duration for which you want to share your location. For example, I will choose for 1 hour. Once done selecting, tap on this share button to start sharing your location. After that, your live location will be sent as a message and the recipient will be able to see your location on a map in real time. The live location will be shared for the duration you selected, after which it will expire and stop being updated. You can stop sharing your location at any time by tapping on the Stop Sharing button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share your live location on Telegram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share live location on Telegram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.